In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your theme on DeepSeek AI on PC. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log in to your DeepSeek AI account. Once you've done that, go to the bottom left, right here, to access your profile. Then, from the pop-up menu or drop-down menu, click on Settings. Then, on the four options that you will see on the pop-up menu, go to General, and as you can see, there is three themes that you can choose from. The light theme, the dark theme, or the system theme, which means whatever the theme of your system on your PC, it will follow. So choose one of that, and as easy as that, you've chosen and you've changed your theme on DeepSeek AI. So that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.